రోజుల పాలనపై బీజేపీ ప్రోగ్రెస్ రిపోర్ట్ ను విడుదల చేసింది. ఇప్పుడు ఆ లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
Bureaucracy, no red tape, red carpet for investment, use of technology platforms for effective governance, use of new and social media to communicate, disseminate information, opening of My Government website, clarity of thought, unity of purpose and action. States are being made partners in the development, the new concept of Team India, true spirit of federal cooperative federalism. Inflation is moderated, clear signs of microeconomic stability, security concerns are being addressed, foreign policy, newfound confidence and sense of purpose in dealing with other countries, clear prioritization of foreign policy, objective beginning with improved relations with our immediate neighbors, presence of all SAARC countries in the swearing in of the PM, PM's visit to Japan, to Nepal, to Bhutan, to Bangladesh, Myanmar and Brazil, Ministers of External Affairs and PM's visits in this short period, and also the bringing back the hostages held in Iraq, Indians, clear message to Pakistan about framework of dialogue, India being designated as the first head of the BRICS Bank, Development Bank, and push for indigenous defense production capabilities, 34,000 crores of worth of defense material proposal cleared, strengthening anti-missile defense mechanism for major cities, farm credit to 8 lakh crores, soil health card mission. I don't want to read all of them because this note is self-explanatory, Digital India by 2019. Then friends, the urbanization is a challenge, but we are seeing it as an opportunity into a driver of economic growth. Major decision of housing for all by 2022. A new housing mission is in the offing. Shortly, everything is ready, consultations are over. It will go to EFC and it will go to cabinet. And then adoption of a unanimous national declaration on urban governance and housing for all by all the states at a 2-day national level State Ministers Conference during July 2nd and 3rd, within 1 month of coming to power. We have taken on board all the stakeholders. Then formulating action plan for development of 100 smart cities and basic infrastructure for 500 urban habitations. Formulation of a plan action for heritage development and augmentation Yojana, Hriday, for heritage cities.